What's going on, everyone? It's King Tuts Pro and welcome back to another Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cool paper rip transition without any plugins. Now this does require like a pack, but it's for free, which is the great part about this video. So link will be in the description if you want to download that. All right, so first things first, what you want to do is you're going to have your first video, which is going to be right here. And then you're going to have your second clip here, which is a whole different scene, right? And you want this video clip to be the next clip. So all you have to do is very simple. Just drag this clip right above this one here, and we can delete whatever is left here. If it's just blank, just delete it. So you want to open up the CinePacks paper rip effects. This video is not sponsored at all. However, I have been sponsored by CinePacks in the past. Check them out. I'll link it down in the description. But again, this video is not sponsored. We have wipe 1 here. If I go through, you can see what they look like. Looks really, really cool. I'm going to be using number 7. So I'm going to click import selected. And I already did that, so here it is, rip 07. I'm going to drag that right above the clip. And now what you're going to do is, if your clip is shorter than the actual animation, you can either make the bottom clip somehow longer, or you can make the top clip, the animation, shorter or faster by pressing Command R, and then dragging the end point here all the way to the end of this clip here, which will speed it up. In this case, it sped it up about 270%. So that is roughly 20 frames, which is almost half a second. So if I push play, you're going to see how fast it goes compared to the normal, the normal speed. Just keep that in mind. So select both of them, right click, go to new compounds clip. I'm going to press 1, open up the compounds clip, select the rip and go to the effects. Then you want to go into get rid of shadow. You want to go into keying and drag the keyer right above that one. So now you can see what it looks like. So now all you have to do is go back and then just do the same thing to the main compound clip. So go to the effects, drag the keyer onto this one, and now you're going to see the animation take place. So if I push play, it's going to look like that, and you're pretty much done, but we can tweak it a little bit more if you want. And to do that, it's very simple. So you can see that it's a little bit gray, and for me, I think paper looks a little more white to me. I don't know, that's just my opinion, but I'm going to go into the compounds clip. I'm going to select the actual rip animation clip. And I'm going to go into the exposure by clicking over here. All right. And then it's going to take you to the exposure. And then you can, change what it looks like. So you can do something like this, or maybe drag that down and increase the highlights, whatever you want to do. And then now it looks a little better, as you can see. Without further ado, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like. I didn't go super in depth with this effect. I just want to show you the effect quickly, just because I have other videos coming out this week as well, which is a new one tomorrow if you're watching this. Links in the description for the pack. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.